Hello friends, welcome back to the funny video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Realme phone setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys how to connect Wi-Fi and how to use Wi-Fi setting on Realme phone. Friends, you want to own Wi-Fi setting, you want to use how to use Wi-Fi setting. Today friends I will show you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, open your phone setting. After on phone setting friends, click on Wi-Fi setting. So if Wi-Fi is off, we will on right side guys, we will tap here, Wi-Fi will on. After on guys, refresh your Wi-Fi setting first guys. First guys, I will remove this all network first. And friends, you can see I don't have any Wi-Fi network on my Realme phone. So why first we will refresh Wi-Fi setting. After refresh Wi-Fi setting friends, which network you want to connect guys, select, and friends you want to add any network, friends enter network name and password and you can connect direct. So friends, I have this Wi-Fi, I will select this Wi-Fi, I will enter this Wi-Fi password, and guys I will connect. Friends, you can see Wi-Fi network will connect on our Realme phone, and guys now we can use it. So friends, you don't have mobile data internet, so you can connect Wi-Fi network and you can use it. So like that guy, we can connect Wi-Fi network and we can use. And friends, you want to disconnect this network. So once you cannot disconnect, friends, directly you will have to remove this network. And guys, when you will remove, you cannot use this network. And friends, you can see QR code. Friends, you want to share this Wi-Fi QR code. Friends, you want to share, so you can share from here guys. So I will click on remove this network and remove. After remove friends, you can see we cannot use this Wi-Fi network again. If we use friends again, we will have to enter password. Then guys, we can connect this Wi-Fi. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Bye bye guys. I hope friends you understood how to use Wi-Fi setting on Realme phone. Bye.